Cluck Old Hen is a really fun piece that a lot of my students really like to play and learn about. So I am interested, I'm happy that they put this American Southern work song here, and then here was a work song sung by slaves. And so learning the history behind a lot of these pieces helps you appreciate the song so much more. So please read about all the pieces that you play and know where they came from so that you can appreciate them even more, and then those who made it. So a work song, a slave song, is something that we have a very good beat to so that everybody can work at the same pace. And so that's going to help us when we play these wonderful pieces that have been passed down from generation to generation. So the basic tune, we're playing almost all quarter notes. We have quarter notes, half notes, and we're going to count this as a quarter note too because it's technically the same note, but our bow is doing it. So let's look at, we have 4/4 first. And then we have our D major. We have F sharp and C sharp there. So our roadmap, we have a repeat of that first line. And then we have a repeat of that second line. So scanning through, do we see something? Yes, we see a whole lot of somethings in here. So I'm being told that it's F sharp and C sharp, but right off the bat, they're telling me, nope, C natural. So instead of playing that C sharp, I'm playing a low 2. A, D, C natural. So A, 3, 2. I'm going to make sure that that low second finger, A, 3, 3. And I have plenty of time to lift up and go next to you. I don't have to mash them and go in between the strings. A, D, C natural, C natural. They don't have to put this one. But it's a courtesy because this is the basic version and they don't want to stress you out too much. So both of these are low 2, A, F, F, D, D. So this is a low 2 to a high 2. And this is, they're just facilitating that slide for us. A, bum, bum, 1, 2, da, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, 4. So going on to the second line, D, D, F. So we have this plus sign, and we are utilizing this. I'm sorry, I am not letting you take the easy way out because this is the coolest part of this piece. This plus sign means the left hand pizzicato. Optional? It is not optional. Nope, 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 nope. You are a big kid. I'm a big kid now. And so what we're going to do is we're going to do D, pluck with our left hand, and then play the F, D, pluck, G. So I'm going to do a down, pluck, down, and I'm going to lift right here, and I'm going to do a down, pluck, down, and I'm going to do another lift right here so that I can have a downbeat right there, or the down bow there. So when they put a plus, a lot of the time they'll mean to use your fourth finger because your fourth finger should be readily available to just go pling at it. But to make it easier for us, I'm going to use whatever finger I'm using around it. So right after I'm using that second finger, so I'm going to do a second finger pizzicato, bunk, ba, so that's ready to go. And then over here, I'm using a third finger because I'm about to use it. If I use a third finger before, I would definitely use it there. If I use a second finger before or a fourth finger before. So I want to be cautious of what I'm using around there so that I can use my fingers efficiently. D, D, F, G, A, F, F, D. So that's my low to high second finger. Almost looked like an A there. All right, so we're going to pluck this out, and we're going to pluck this with our left hand, but the rest is going to be with our right hand. All right, we're going to pluck out the first line, and then we'll talk about the second line, about what we have to do between the left and the right hand. All right, so A, D, C natural, so open 3, low 2, A, 3, 3. We have plenty of time to go 3, 3. We're only going up to 90, so we're not going to really rush things at all. A, D, low 2, 2, A, 2, 2, D, D, A, 2, 2, D, D. So a low 2 to high 2. We're just dum, bum, bum. All right, first line, we're going to do it twice. 1, 2, ready, go. A, D, low 2, A, D, 3, open A again, A, 3, low 2, A, low, high, D, beginning. Low 2, low, high. Alright, so this part might take you a little bit of time, and I want you to practice this with your picking before you do it with your bow, because the bow will make it a little bit more difficult for this. So I'm doing D, D, F, D, D, G. So you might have to practice that. Hold on. All right, I'm doing D, and then pluck with that second finger, and then I come back here, F, and I'm still with this finger, D, plits with that one, D, all 3. So again, D, second finger, then pits, D, third finger, pits, and then just normal, D, D, F, G, A, low, high, low, lift, and back to 5. Ready, go. D, plits, D, third finger, open D, F, G, A, F, F, D. All right, so let's try that with the bow. We're going to do that first line and work that. This little puppy's trying to help me. Are you helping out? Are you helping out? This is, hi, honey. My kid just came home from school. I'll be up in a little bit.
I have my money.
I'll see you in a little bit. So let's do this first line. Bum, long, 1, 2, ready, go. A, D, low 2, up bow A, 3, 3, low 2, low, high, slide, open. Let's do that again. Long, then we have an up bow, open A, low 2, low, high. So this is the part that I want you to spend a bunch of time with, because there's a couple of different ways that we can do this, but I changed the bowing on here to make it a little bit more comfortable. It's all uncomfortable at first. So I'm doing a down, hits, down, lift, down, hits, down. So work that out, that it's very comfortable of down, pits, down, pits, down. Because the way that it was originally written, it could be this. I can do a down, pits, up, and so none of them are incorrect or correct. It's just different options that we have, but we would have had to lift at some point, right? Yeah. So I just like being able to lift and have more fun. Yeah. So let's do that second line, nice and slow. 1, 2, ready, go. Down, pits, lift, down, pits with that third finger. Repeat, down, pick, down, lift, lift. All right, so let's do that with a metronome, and we're going to do that at 60 just so that we can get even more comfortable with it. 1, 2, ready, go. Low. Beginning, first line. Line 2, down, pits, long, lift, down, third finger, lift. Low, high, lift, beginning that second line, pick, don't have to do that lift. Do a down, down. And so I just want you to minimize the distractions right now of having those down bows and being very comfortable with it, because everybody sees these different bowings of different difficulties. So take your time with it, and happy practice.